Hello, everyone, and welcome to Monday Morning. It's Stephen Whiteside here from theuptrend.com. Well, I'm going to keep this presentation extremely short. Stock index futures are currently trading above fair value. They've been up since the markets opened last night, so no change there. Now, the Dow futures are currently up 371 points. The average true range on the Dow is currently over 1,400 points. So seeing that the Dow's up 300 and change in the pre-market really doesn't give us much indication. At least they're not selling. Whether they're overly excited and they're going to be buyers throughout the day is yet to be determined. Now, we don't have any major economic numbers coming out till Wednesday, and then on Thursday we've got initial jobless claims, and then on Friday is a holiday, and holiday shortened weeks are usually bullish. So not surprised to see some buying on Monday morning. Let's see how far it can go. Now, last Wednesday, we had a big up day in the market, and I said wave that off. We had a lot of new buy signals show up on Wednesday. I said wait until they get reconfirmed, and we did get some reconfirmations on Friday with a stock like NVIDIA, which is still on a buy signal here. So we do have investors looking to do some bottom fishing here, and we're looking for short-term moves to the upside. A lot of stocks like Shopify and Tesla did not come back on Friday. Tesla had an inside day, did pop on Wednesday, did generate a buy signal, but we haven't got a reconfirmation yet. We may get that on Monday. Now, the VIX had an inside day on Friday, closed in the channel, looking for a close below 29.42 on Monday to give us a new sell signal for the VIX. That would be supportive for higher stock prices. Now, we do have the major indices moving up in the pre-market, so there's a mathematical possibility of a buy signal for the S&P 500. For the NASDAQ, we're currently trading right at the upper channel line in the pre-market on Monday morning. And then there's a lot more work to do for the Russell 2000 and for semiconductors and for the TSX and the Vanguard Canada ETF. So there's the TSX 60, there's the TSX Composite. A little more work to do there. We are seeing a little pullback in gold this morning, a little buying in crude oil, which could stabilize the Canadian market on Monday. Generally speaking, everything was oversold last week. We had some panic selling. Wouldn't be surprised if we moved up a bit. So far, the pros are not in control, so we're just dealing with short covering at the moment. We haven't seen money come back in to take the market higher, just covered short positions. So most charts look like this. We're coming from underneath all the moving averages. Would not be surprised if we ran up to the 200-day moving average and reversed from there. That would also take us up to the bottom of the flypaper channel. And wouldn't be surprised if the market, took a run up to those levels and then reversed and head back down and eventually took out the recent lows. Looking at the US dollar index, it continued to move lower on Friday. Other currencies saw the benefit of a lowering US dollar. So there's the Canadian dollar, there's the Swiss franc, both making new highs for this move on Friday. Crude oil had an inside day on Friday. It's up 80 cents in the pre-market this morning. The price of gold was up $67 on Friday. It's down $8 last time I checked in the pre-market, so no change there. And then last up this morning, we had a huge sell-off in the bond market last week. And of course, bonds falling means bond yields going up. That is fighting the Fed. The market doesn't usually like to fight the Fed, but that's what it's doing at the moment. So we'll have to see if bond prices reverse this week, which would be helpful for the stock market, or if bond prices continue to move lower, pushing yields higher, which would not be good for the stock market going forward. Okay, folks, there's your 4-minute update for Monday. Have a great day. Next time you'll hear my voice is on Tuesday morning.
Thanks for tuning in until the very end of today's stock market timing educational video. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to express your support by hitting the like button, leave a comment, sharing with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful updates. Remember, in the world of stocks, timing is crucial, and following the trend can be your greatest ally. If you would like more information on how we can help you better time the stock market, please visit theuptrend.com.